Hi everyone, this is Mark from Equiptrack. We're like Carfax but for the refurbished medical equipment industry. Today we will go over step 2 in installing our Commerce Components app for Shopify. If you sell refurbished medical equipment through a Shopify store and are installing our Commerce Components app, this video will walk you through the steps to manually add Commerce Components to your product pages so that great sales assets like our no recall guarantee, Equip scores, and our Get Equiptrack report button appear in the product pages of your Shopify store. This way, Shopify buyers will see these sales assets when they search equipment on your store. Anyway, let's jump right in and complete this step. It's pretty easy. Now from the home screen, we can go over to apps. In this case, we already have the app installed. So if we go over to settings, in the installation page, we have a Get HTML button here to copy code that goes into this custom liquid block that we're about to add to the product pages. So we've already done that. So the next step is to go over to the online store. From there, of course, we're just showing the standard theme, right? So nothing new there. We're going to click on Customize. And at the top here, instead of Home Page, we're going to select Products. And right now we only have 2 products, so we're just going to, and of course, we're going to select the default product. We'll change this to something more interesting like this ECG. So on the right-hand side, you'll see the template. This is the template for the products. On the left-hand side, you'll see the product information template, and then we're going to add a block here. So we click on Add Block, Custom Liquid. Then it shows up down here, and then we're going to position this, and I think maybe right above price might make some sense here. And then to add the code, we're just going to double-click on the Custom Liquid. We're going to get a Control V for the previously copied HTML. And we'll show it here at the bottom of the screen here so you can see it there as well. And then we're going to say Save. And now this item is already synced in the system, so it already shows the Equip score for this unique item, which is a 48. It shows the Equiptrack report button here. And if this unit had no recalls, it would show our no recall guarantee icon here. But in this case, this unit does have recall, at least one. So now to go see it in the product itself, you can go back to products and then preview the online store. So the online store, here it is. So this is the front end of where your customers would search for products that you have for sale. And here we would show the same assets, right? So the Equip score, Get Equiptrack report button. And then again, if this unit had no recalls, would show our no recall guarantee icon there. So that's how that works, and that's just how you kind of manually add commerce components to your product pages. And so that's it, right? So pretty easy. If you have any questions or any other questions about installing our Commerce Components app for Shopify, please reach out to us through our email address, which is info@equiptrack.com. Thanks for watching.